Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to StarPay. And if you want to do that, first of all you need to know that you need a verified account to start transferring money. Then after that we go right here to send and then we fill in right here the Philippines, for example, because you need to know that you need to have a country where the e-wallet option is enabled. So that is very important to do. So we do right here, for example, to a recipient from the Philippines, and then we fill in right here 100 euros. Then we do right here at recipient. Then we do from here e-wallet, and then we do someone else. Then we fill in right here their email. Then we follow that up with a full name of the account holder. And then the most important part right here is we select this option and we go right here. Where is it? StarPay. There we go. Then we fill in right here the recipient's e-wallet number and then right here the city from that person. And then we do continue. I don't have an account on StarPay and that is, so I can fill in everything and that is why everything is almost red. But if you filled in all the correct information, he will send you to the review page. There you check your details, do all the steps that it's telling you right there to do carefully. And then after that, do continue and then he will send you to the pay option. This is exactly where you can see your payment and then the transfer is done. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.